Welcome to Healthy 70s Daily Life, where we're about to uncover an untold secret affecting millions of men. Asterisk, do you feel that lingering discomfort when you sit? Asterisk, the middle of a night trips to the bathroom. Asterisk, the quiet frustration when intimacy feels out of reach. Asterisk, this isn't just about getting older. It's a silent cry for help from a problem that's quietly robbing you of your freedom. A swollen, irritated prostate. Most men never see it coming, and worse, they never talk about it. But ignoring it is where the real trouble begins. Asterisk, for centuries. A powerful class of natural foods has been used to heal the male prostate. Yet, modern medicine rarely whispers a word about it. One specific fruit, when eaten correctly, can begin to reduce inflammation and restore comfort in less than 18 hours. Yes, you heard that right. And today, we're going to reveal exactly how it works. Asterisk, what if I told you that the #1 prostate healing fruit isn't some exotic supplement? Chances are it's in your kitchen right now, just waiting to unlock a healthier, more confident you. Asterisk, in this video, you'll discover 5 simple fruits that can shrink your prostate, boost blood flow, and reignite that feeling of being yourself again. And trust me, #1 will shock you. You've likely been eating it for decades without realizing its true power. Asterisk, if you're ready to take control. Subscribe to Healthy 70s Daily Life now and hit that notification bell. Every video we share is packed with natural, actionable steps to help you thrive. Drop a yes below if this resonates, and let's dive right into the first prostate shrinking superstar. 5. Citrus. Forget everything you think you know about oranges. Your healing journey begins here. Asterisk, these bright, sun-kissed wonders fill our kitchens and brighten our mornings. But what if I told you that this simple fruit holds the key to a critical aspect of your health that you may not have thought about in years? I'm talking about your prostate. Asterisk, the very fruit you might enjoy every day can be your prostate's best friend, offering powerful benefits that help reduce swelling, ease discomfort, and even restore your vitality. Asterisk, for centuries. Citrus. Fruits have been cherished for their healing properties. Ancient Mediterranean apothecaries used them to cleanse and strengthen the body, while Roman soldiers drank lemon-infused water to support their health. Citrus's reputation for boosting strength and vitality isn't just folklore. Modern science is now backing it up. Asterisk, one of the most potent components in citrus fruits is bioflavonoids, powerful antioxidants like hesperidin and naringin. These compounds have been shown to fight oxidative stress in prostate tissue, which can lead to inflammation and discomfort. And that's just the beginning. Asterisk, you're likely familiar with vitamin C. But did you know it plays a crucial role in minimizing prostate inflammation? Vitamin C aids in the production of collagen in blood vessels, helping them maintain flexibility and reduce pressure on your prostate. This leads to less discomfort, especially for men struggling with nocturia, those frustrating nightly trips to the bathroom. Asterisk, one of our 68-year-old patients was encouraged to incorporate lemon water into his daily routine. Within just a few weeks, he experienced a major improvement. His nocturia eased, and the nagging pelvic pressure that he'd dealt with for months started to fade. This was the result of a small but effective change: drinking lemon-infused water first thing in the morning. Asterisk, citrus compounds help downregulate inflammatory markers in prostate cells, thereby reducing swelling. Citrus also boosts circulation, increasing the production of nitric oxide, which helps enhance blood flow in the pelvic region. This dual effect not only helps shrink the prostate, but it also supports overall function, keeping your prostate healthy and active for the long haul. Asterisk, citrus fruits are also an incredible boost for your overall health. Asterisk. 1. Immune system boost. Citrus is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens your immune system. Asterisk 2. Skin health. Vitamin C promotes healthy, radiant skin by supporting collagen production and protecting against damage from free radicals. Asterisk 3. Digestive support. Citrus is known to stimulate bile flow in the liver, which aids in digestion and keeps your system running smoothly. Asterisk to incorporate citrus into your daily routine. The best way to start is with a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. Begin with the juice of half a lemon in about 8 ounces of warm water. Asterisk a small precaution. After drinking your lemon water, be sure to rinse your mouth with plain water. This helps protect your tooth enamel from the acidity in citrus. For kiwi, with its bright emerald flesh and tiny seeds, kiwi is more than just a sweet snack. It's a secret weapon against the chronic issues that often plague older men, especially when it comes to prostate health. Asterisk in our clinic, we often hear from men struggling with urinary urgency, discomfort, and that nagging feeling of inflammation that just seems to persist. Many have tried medications, but the relief is always temporary, and they quickly realize the root cause is left unaddressed. Asterisk the problem isn't just a weak stream or waking up at night. It's chronic, low-grade inflammation that can silently build up around your prostate over time, making daily activities uncomfortable and disrupting your quality of life. And medications, while they might mask the symptoms, don't target the root cause. To truly heal, you have to start by making changes in your lifestyle, especially your diet. Asterisk, that's where kiwi comes in. This humble fruit is packed with nutrients that target inflammation directly and provide real, long-lasting comfort. Asterisk kiwi is often called a rediscovered hero for its incredible anti-inflammatory properties. It's loaded with vitamin C more than you'll find in an orange. This powerful antioxidant doesn't just boost the immune system. It also helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in prostate tissue. In fact, the vitamin C in kiwi plays a crucial role in protecting your prostate from damage caused by inflammation. Asterisk, but kiwi doesn't stop there. It also provides an impressive dose of vitamin E, potassium, and polyphenols, all of which contribute to reducing inflammation and supporting your overall health. One of the most remarkable aspects of kiwi is the enzyme actinidin. This enzyme plays a key role in breaking down proteins and improving digestion. More than that, it helps reduce gut toxins, those unwanted substances that can trigger or worsen systemic inflammation. A properly functioning gut can significantly reduce the body's inflammatory response, making it a critical player in reducing prostate swelling. Asterisk, to add kiwi to your daily routine, it couldn't be easier. Start your day by simply slicing and eating one medium-sized kiwi. The sweet, tangy flavor is a refreshing addition to your morning. Or if you're in the mood for something a little different, try blending it into your citrus water for a tangy, nutrient-packed twist. 5. Cherries. Asterisk, when you think of fruits that can support prostate health, cherries might not immediately come to mind, but they should. It's surprising how something as simple as a cherry can offer extraordinary relief, especially for men struggling with prostate issues and urinary discomfort. Asterisk. Clinical studies and years of interacting with patients have uncovered the impressive benefits of cherries in managing prostate health. One of the main reasons cherries have such a remarkable impact on prostate health is their high level of anthocyanins. It's the powerful pigments responsible for the dark red color of cherries. Asterisk, these anthocyanins have demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties that can help block the inflammatory enzymes that cause stress and swelling in prostate tissue. Furthermore, cherries work on a deeper level by targeting COX-2 pathways. This is significant because COX-2 is an enzyme directly involved in inflammation, particularly in the prostate. By reducing the activity of COX-2, cherries don't just decrease swelling, they also improve urine flow. Asterisk, cherries also improve sleep quality. Cherries are a natural source of melatonin precursors, which play a crucial role in regulating your sleep patterns, allowing you to rest more soundly through the night. Asterisk. Let us share a story about one of our patients, a man in his late 60s who struggled with frequent nightly bathroom trips. For years, he woke up at least 4 times every night. His prostate issues weren't just a physical inconvenience, were taking a toll on his quality of life. The lack of sleep, the frustration, and the constant nagging feeling of discomfort. Then, he made one simple change. He added cherries to his morning routine, specifically tart cherry juice. Within just a few weeks, his nightly bathroom trips went from 4 down to just 1 or 2. The change was so profound that he came back to me with a smile I hadn't seen in years. His quality of life had dramatically improved, and his joy was contagious. Asterisk. To add cherries to your daily routine. Toss fresh or frozen cherries into your morning lemon water. Or, if you prefer something more concentrated, drink a small glass of tart cherry juice. It's simple, refreshing, and incredibly effective. 6. Berries packed with powerful antioxidants. Berries act like a fortress around your prostate, protecting it from the damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. We age. It's easy to focus on shrinking the prostate, but maintaining its health isn't just about that. It's about nourishing your entire system to keep it resilient, vibrant, and able to fight off threats like free radicals, which can lead to chronic inflammation and disease. Asterisk. Berries are nature's frontline defenders, working hard to reduce the oxidative stress that plays a role in prostate issues and beyond. Asterisk. Blueberries, packed with anthocyanins. These compounds help boost the production of nitric oxide, which is essential for improving blood flow to your pelvic tissues. Asterisk. Strawberries. They contain ellagic acid, a compound known to help regulate cell growth, which potentially lowers the risk of prostate cancer. Asterisk. Raspberries, with their high concentration of ketones. They are excellent at reducing inflammation. Asterisk. Blackberries. Often overlooked, they provide valuable benefits too. The tannins in blackberries help strengthen connective tissues, which can ease pelvic floor tension. Asterisk. A 72-year-old retiree came to us a few months ago. Frustrated with his declining health, he was dealing with frequent trips to the bathroom, constant urinary urgency, and overall fatigue. After adding a simple blend of berries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries to his morning routine, the changes were nothing short of remarkable. Within just 2 weeks, he noticed a drop in his urinary urgency and his mental clarity sharpened. Asterisk. Berries also work wonders for the brain. The neuroprotective compounds they contain support brain health, improving cognitive function, and helping to maintain mental sharpness. And when it comes to metabolic health, berries are a godsend. They help stabilize blood sugar, which is critical for maintaining a balanced metabolism. Asterisk. To incorporate more berries into your routine. Simply toss a handful of fresh or frozen berries into your morning lemon water for a refreshing start to your day. 1. Watermelon. There's a certain feeling you get when you bite into a slice of watermelon on a hot summer day. Sweet, juicy, and refreshing. It takes you back to simpler times. But what if I told you that this beloved childhood treat is more than just a fresh flavor? Watermelon is now recognized as a powerful ally in prostate health, especially for men dealing with prostate issues as they age. Asterisk. Today, it's not just a snack. It's a wellness tool, and its secret is lycopene. Asterisk. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant found in watermelon. And it's this compound that gives the fruit its vibrant red color. Research suggests that lycopene can have a significant impact on prostate health. It helps reduce inflammation in the prostate and supports healthy urine flow, something many older men struggle with. Asterisk. What makes lycopene so effective? It's not just its antioxidant properties, but the fact that it targets the root cause of prostate discomfort. Asterisk. Lycopene also has vascular protective properties, meaning it supports healthy blood flow throughout your body. For men, this is critical. Not only does improved blood flow promote prostate health, but it also helps with erectile function and overall circulatory wellness. Asterisk. The power of lycopene is enhanced when it's paired with a small amount of healthy fat. This means you can get more out of your watermelon by enjoying it with foods like olive oil or nuts, or even by adding it to your morning lemon water routine. Asterisk, and let's not forget the hydration factor. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it a great way to stay hydrated without stressing your kidneys. For older adults, especially those who may have mild kidney issues, this is a game changer. Watermelon provides gentle hydration, helping you feel refreshed and energized without overwhelming your body. Asterisk, to include watermelon in your daily routine. Try adding 2 to 3 cups of diced watermelon to your morning routine. It's best to eat it after a glass of lemon water, which helps boost lycopene absorption. This combination is both a delicious and healthy way to start your day. Asterisk, let's recap. Citrus helps control inflammation. Kiwi provides essential vitamin C and fiber. Cherries deliver anthocyanins to reduce inflammation. Berries support prostate and brain health. And watermelon, with its unique hydration and lycopene, helps ease urinary stress. Asterisk, together. These 5 fruits create something much larger than the sum of their parts. They rebuild the foundation, the strength, the confidence, the vitality that surges from within. And that brings me to the most important thing I'll say today. Your body hasn't given up on you. Not for a second. Those middle of the night bathroom trips, the stiffness when you wake, the quiet anxiety about intimacy, they aren't white flags. They're whispers asking for support. Asterisk, what you learned today is a real natural armor against those struggles. No prescription needed, no complicated regimen, just whole foods doing what nature designed them to do. We've seen this transformation firsthand. Men in their 70s sleeping through the night again. Retired veterans hiking with their grandsons. Husbands regaining intimacy with their wives. Why? Because they chose a fruit, just one, and let consistency do the work. Asterisk, maybe it's a watermelon in a morning smoothie or a handful of berries after lunch. Start small. Let the results speak. Feel the ripple effect. Deeper sleep, steadier energy. Standing taller in the moments that matter most. Asterisk, healing rarely begins at the pharmacy. Sometimes it starts at your kitchen counter with a simple choice. To believe you are worth the nourishment. You have the science. You've heard the stories. Now, take that first bite toward your stronger chapter. Asterisk, if this video resonated with you, we invite you to like it, share it with a friend who needs hope, and leave a comment below. We read every single one. Your journey might illuminate the path for someone else. Asterisk, until next time, remember, your vitality is waiting. See you at Healthy 70s Daily Life.